Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to change profile picture on TikTok. The process of changing profile picture is really simple. Make sure your app is up to date. And for this, go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store and check it. If it's not, then update the TikTok application from there. And then, all you have to do is open your TikTok application. After it opens, tap on your profile icon, which is on the bottom right, to move to your profile section. Now I am in my profile section. From here, you don't have to go anywhere. You can see your previous profile, which you are using on TikTok. So simply tap on this profile picture. And here is the option change photo, tap on it. And from your mobile phone, choose a picture which you want to upload. Just for example, I am searching for. So I choose this picture for my TikTok account. After choosing, here you can see you cannot tap on this option confirm, which is on the right bottom. Because first you have to tap on this circle, which is on the right top. Now the confirmation option is enabled, tap on the confirm. Here adjust the picture. After adjusting, if you don't want to post it, then simply turn it off and tap on the option save. But if you want to post it on your TikTok timeline, then turn it on and tap on the option save and post. But for me, I don't want to post, so I'm turning it off and tapping on the option save. Now it's uploading. And let's have a preview of it. So here you can see my TikTok profile has been updated. So it was the basic way by which you can change profile pic on TikTok.